And we cut across to breaking news coming in. Azerbaijan Airlines flight traveling from Baku to Grozny has crashed in Aktau in Kazakhstan after reportedly requesting an emergency landing. These are the initial details that are just coming in, and that is the exact moment of the crash. Videos taken by eyewitnesses. Azerbaijan Airlines plane that has crashed near Kazakhstan's Aktau airport. The video that we play out on our screens, dozens who are feared dead, but no confirmation yet. That passenger plane that was carrying 72 people, according to initial reports, has crashed in Kazakhstan. In fact, the country's emergency ministry has said that rescue operations are underway and they are trying to remove those under the debris. Dozens who are feared dead. 6 people have survived the crash, is what authorities have said as per initial reports. This airline's flight that was en route from Baku in Azerbaijan to Grozny in Russia, it was rerouted due to the fog. It crashed near Aktau airport in the west of the country. Emergency services that are working to put out the fire at the crash site. Kazakhstan Emergencies Ministry has said, according to initial reports, that there could be casualties. And even as rescue operations are underway, that passenger plane that was carrying 72 people in all. Although Azerbaijan Airlines is yet to respond or put out any details, let me cut across to Samiksha joining us from the newsroom with more on the same. Samiksha, how many on board? Any details on casualties? And it crashed after an emergency landing was sought. What happened?
That's right, Suyesha. Unfortunate news that's coming in. Initial inputs that we've been able to gather suggest that 67 passengers were on board and there were 5 crew members in the flight. All in all, 72 people who were on board the Azerbaijan flight. As we understand, the passenger plane was flying from Baku to Grozny that crashed near Kazakhstan. The aircraft, as we told you, operated by Azerbaijan Airlines, went down near Kazakh city. We do not yet know about the casualties, but yes, there are clearly no details so far about the 72 people on board this flight. We have a statement also that's coming in from the Kazakhstan Ministry of Emergency Situations confirming that there was a fire that broke out at the crash site. The plane, as we told you, was originally scheduled to land in Grozny but was redirected to Makhachala and then to Aktau, according to Grozny Airport press office. Russian media has also reported that this is the flight E190AR. Before the crash, the aircraft circled around the Aktau airport and requested an emergency landing, which of course did not happen. So yes, initial inputs indicate that the flight has crashed. 72 people were on board, of which 67 were passengers and 5 were crew members. Suyesha.
Continue talking to us as we stay with these pictures, Samiksha, as the ministry has said that emergency services are trying to put out the fire at the crash site. This is the Emergencies Ministry. The passenger plane that crashed near the city of Aktau in Kazakhstan. And the Emergencies Ministry that has also said that the death toll could rise. There is no confirmation on it yet, but some people could have lost their lives, unfortunately, in this plane crash.
That's right, Suyesha. And you know, from what inputs that are coming in so far indicate is that the flight attempted an emergency landing, which did not happen. Before the crash, the airplane's crew even signaled an emergency due to collision with a bird and a steering malfunction. Kazakhstan Health Ministry has reported that 6 survivors of the plane crash. So these are still reports. So Yesha is still awaiting more clarity. But from the inputs that we have so far, we understand that the aircraft was observed circling the airport before the accident. Rescue teams did arrive at the scene. Initial reports suggest that there are survivors, but casualty details are still being confirmed. 67 passengers and 5 crew members who were on board. The visuals on our screens of the flight attempting an emergency landing. So Yesha, while we are yet to get more details, just a quick recap of the facts we know so far. This is Azerbaijan Airlines passenger flight that was en route from Baku to Grozny that crashed near Kazakhstan. 67 passengers and 5 crew members were on board. And while there were signals given to the flight to make an emergency landing due to poor visibility, that clearly did not happen. And unfortunately, while attempting that emergency landing, the flight appears to have crashed. So, Yesha.
In fact, Samiksha, Reuters is also reporting that the Kazakh media has said that 105 passengers and 5 crew members were on board. So while the Azerbaijan Airlines is yet to put out all the details, there is a possibility that not 72 lives but 110 lives that were on board on that plane. Also that it was to land in Grozny, but the flight had to reroute due to a fog situation. And that is when it moved to Aktau in Kazakhstan. The plane crashed there because an emergency landing was sought. Of course, we are still trying to find out further details of the condition of the rescue operations and eventually a report that will be submitted on what caused the crash. But so far we understand that it was the passenger plane that was rerouted, and Samiksha, a high possibility that not 72 but 110 lives could have been on board.
But we are also given to understand that while the flight attempted to make an emergency landing, there was a bird strike, a bird hit, as a result of which the flight crashed. Inputs also suggest that more than 60 Russians were aboard the airline plane that crashed, which had more than 60 Russians. The incident occurred when the plane collided with a flock of birds while attempting that emergency landing due to poor visibility.
Samiksha, we are putting out this latest video of the aftermath of the crash. That is the debris of what is left of that passenger plane. This even as rescue operations are underway. The Kazakh Emergencies Ministry has confirmed that 6 people have survived the crash. Of course, no confirmation on whether the rest on board failed to survive that crash, but that is the statement that is being reported by the Kazakhstan authorities, that 6 people have survived the crash. And the Azerbaijan Airlines, that is yet to put out a statement. However, it was a fog situation that the plane had to be rerouted. The plane made several circles over the airport. The plane of Azerbaijan Airlines. And that is the latest video of what remains of that passenger plane that crashed. The debris that is now being cleared, as focus was also on dousing off the fire. The plane caught fire soon after it crashed. Samiksha, please take us through further details, as we understand that the plane carried 67 passengers and 5 crew members. Okay, that is the latest that is coming in. Kazakhstan's Ministry of Emergency Situations that confirmed that a fire broke out at the crash site. 67 passengers and 5 crew members on board, and 6 have survived that crash, is what the Kazakh authorities are saying according to reports. Samiksha.
That's right, Suyesha. And now we have a statement also coming in from the Ministry of Transport of Kazakhstan saying that a special investigation will be conducted in connection with the crash. So the plane carried 67 passengers and 5 crew members. Reports indicate, as you mentioned, Suyesha, that there are survivors, at least 6 of them. The Kazakhstan Ministry of Emergency Situations has even confirmed that a fire broke out at the crash site while the flight attempted an emergency landing. It was originally scheduled to land in Grozny but was redirected to Makhachkala near Kazakhstan, according to Grozny Airport Press Office. Russian media has also reported that the crashed plane was an Embraer E190AR, and before the crash, the aircraft circled over the airport and requested for an emergency landing due to poor visibility. But yes, that's a confirmation now coming in from not just the Kazakhstan airport officials, but even the Ministry of Transport of Kazakhstan, saying that a special investigation will be conducted as to why the emergency landing could not happen. But Suyesha, while we are awaiting more details on the number of casualties, the visuals on our screens are of course, the remnants left of the plane, the flight that crashed near Kazakhstan, Suyesha.